Yeah, yep. We're past that. That's done.
I have something to do with water. Take me again, nigga. You!
On February 28th, 2023, police responded to a call regarding a suspicious person.
What was that?
Foxtrot 212.
Oh, I'm here.
100 Tom good.
Hi, Megan.
Daytona 500.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit. That means I have an open container and an in-store use only.
That's not why we're here.
Perfect. No children in basket.
Yep.
Perfect. So I can pack up, put it back. Because there's a one Dixie one in there that's charging in the place of this.
Why are you in your underwear?
I'm not underwear.
Well, you're not wearing pants. So one could say you're in your underwear.
One could.
And you're
And
drinking.
they also, no.
You literally have open containers, which leads me to believe that you've been consuming alcohol in a public area, which is also illegal to do. So we're stopping you for that reason.
It's your little.
Yeah, for my little thing that I do, sure.
Good.
We got called because you did something, not the other way around. I didn't find you because I randomly wanted to.
Okay.
All right? So why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here?
My bike. I put one Dixie's cart back.
So you're moving carts from parking lots for whatever reason. What's with the tortilla, the teriyaki, all that other stuff?
I paid for that shit.
You paid for that?
I did. Look, I got 5 kids.
Yeah, but where did you get it from?
You want to build a snowman?
No.
I got 5 kids.
Okay.
I got that from one Dixie. Look, try me. Open it.
No, I'm not going to touch it.
I was in jail and apparently he got hit by a car. So I got 2 fucking more warnings before I get my mattress off that fucking highway. I have to jump that. Accidentally.
The natty ice?
I think I need to drop it. I think I'll drink it right in front of you.
Don't drink it right in front of me. Don't drink it at all, actually.
Actually.
You do realize, like, if you do that, that's illegal. So you've had an open container. Now you're just pouring beer all over a parking lot.
No, exactly. I emptied a container in the parking lot freely. 627.87, honey.
Yeah. You can see what the issue is, right?
Correct.
That you're...
Bob Brandon.
No. I'm talking about what you're...
Robert Brandon. Is he right?
No, I don't care.
No, nobody wants to.
You got a glove on.
I don't care. Get off the
Good shit.
Where's your pants at?
Oh, right here.
Where are your actual?
Where are your clothes at?
Where are your clothes?
Oh, hold
You
on.
can't keep walking around with no clothes on.
Where
I don't know what that meant. I'm going with it.
So you removed their property with it
Tell you what.
without them
You
knowing.
don't have one Dixie on it. You know what it says on the front?
Where did you get it from?
Can't get right.
Where did you get it from? Winn-Dixie? So then you took it from Winn-Dixie.
I think Christopher Cross said Alex could never handle it. And Megan said if she crossed that street on the phone. Look. Bobby McGee, Robert Brandon, Bob Lewis Brandon, Robert Lewis Brandon. Jay!
What? Hey.
Sorry,
You do that again, guess what? You're going to jail.
No, bullshit. You looked fucking hot.
Stop. What do you want?
Actually, I am trying to go to the fucking retirement home. I got... Wait, what?
What do you want? What did you think?
What? Bob Brandon?
No, ma'am. Stand up for me. Stand up.
What did I do?
Stand up.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands
I
behind
need
your
to
back.
know why.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
need to know why. I need to know
You're
why.
being placed under arrest.
For what?
Battery on a law enforcement officer.
Why? Because you have...
Because you chucked water at him. You can't do that.
Oh my God, we're 99% water in human aspect. So I need you to read me my receipt. Take the cops off and read me my... No, what did I do? Bob! No, I didn't do shit to you. You want?
Just sit her down.
So you're going to take me across the street?
Sit down.
Get in the car.
So you come over here and
Get in the car, you're
shoe?
going to catch another charge. Get in the car.
Battery, because I threw water at a water. Battery, because I threw water at a 99% human being water. Bitch, you gotta be fucking shit fucked. Now, resisting arrest? Try it, bitch. Try me. Hey, I'm on my period and I got a tampon. I'll piss in your seat. Oh, you heard that shit.
Is that one from here? Or any of these like
That one doesn't look like ours.
Doesn't look like yours?
No, this isn't ours.
It's not yours?
No.
Okay.
Is that what came in or?
No, we believe somebody
I got it.
stole it from Winn-Dixie and then brought it over here.
I can verify that 100% with,
Yeah, if you could get somebody for me, please, I'd appreciate it. Hi. I just needed to see if you could verify that cart right there on the right. If that is one of you guys' actual carts.
That is not.
It's not one of your carts? Alright.
you want me to roll it out there?
Nah, just hang tight on that. Would you be able to fill out like a statement just like saying like you observed this cart and it does not belong to this shopping center?
Yeah.
You want me to throw that over to money store so nobody grabs it? Or?
Do you want us to leave it right there, or do you want us to move it?
Kind of evidence at the moment, so.
Okay.
So you're being placed under arrest, correct?
For what?
Battery on a law enforcement officer. You've been explaining this already a few times.
Okay.
And what was my battery?
I am not here to
What was
explain
my
it to
battery?
you. Will you listen?
Excuse me, sir. What was my battery on
You
the
threw
wall?
Okay,
water on me.
hang
What was
on.
my battery on a
You
Leo?
and I. Okay.
Good.
So
I didn't know battery on a Leo.
I am
Take me out
not.
the car.
I'm about to.
Yeah, but you're gonna search me when you take me out the car.
That's what I'm about to
Do you
do.
understand what you just did?
But I'm trying to
Yeah.
explain it to you
I
real
love you,
quick.
quick guy.
Okay.
Good.
So.
Don't explain nothing else. You just fucked yourself. Get me out. You can search me all you want.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Sorry, my ass is.
Go ahead and pull your.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Nope.
Wait.
You're not putting them to the front. No,
They're
ma'am.
already been there. That's the problem.
No.
No.
Go
up.
No.
They already.
Absolutely
They
not.
already been there.
Go up.
Pull your hands up. Drop your weights.
My ass is away.
Go up.
Thank you. Whew. They had already
Hurry up.
been
Face the
there.
car.
Do you
You're gonna
have
catch
anything
another
on you
charge.
that could stick poke me or anything like that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well while I'm searching you, you're gonna look that way for me.
So, when I just told you that they were already in the back and you just fucking harassed my wrist. You did. I already told you where they were. And he already knew it.
Okay, look that way. I'm not gonna tell you
Oh.
again. While I'm
Well,
searching
I'll
you,
look at you.
look that way.
Megan, you're going to catch another charge if you don't
For what?
comply. Resisting
A charge for what?
Resisting off.
And I assaulted you with water.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're past that. That's done.
I assaulted you with water. Take me again, nigga. I'm out.
Okay.
I'm out. Just let me go.
All right, I'm going to read you this. So it says,
No.
these are your rights.
Nope.
You have the right.
When you cuffed me. What did I do
You
wrong?
have the right to remain silent.
What did I do wrong?
Okay.
What's my
I'll explain it to you again.
Nope. Tell me my charge before you read my right.
So the two charges you had first are going to be battery on Leo
Wait a
and
minute.
resisting an officer without.
Battery on Leo. What did I do? What's the battery charge?
You threw water on me. Yeah, we've been over that
Oh
already.
my god. Okay, cool.
Yep.
So
Then
humans
resisting-
are made of what?
Resisting officer without violence. That's
Water.
your second charge.
Nope.
So
I already told you I already cupped it under my
Okay.
ass before y'all just fucking correct.
you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may
Nope.
be used as
Drop
evidence
it.
against you.
I
You have the right to
Judge
talk to an
Judy.
attorney and to have him or her with you now or
I
at
don't
any
wanna
time
hear
during
this
questioning.
shit.
If
Yeah,
you
I'm
cannot
already
afford an
cuffed.
attorney, one will be appointed to
Nah,
represent
bullshit.
you.
I'm already cuffed and
If
stuff.
at any time you wish to
Put
stop
red
talking
lights on.
or have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights?
No. Because you cuffed me and stopped me before you read them.
What do you not understand about the rights?
That you did it correct and wrong.
You
You're in my rights.
You
after
broke-
You cuffed me.
so you committed the criminal act right in front of me. So there's no.
What's the criminal act I committed?
You threw water right on me.
No, I
You
threw water out of a bottle.
At me. Okay.
And your friend here
do you understand
said
these
that I threw water at you. Do you understand on Valentine's Day?
Do you understand the
when
rights I read you?
threw shoes at your sergeant, not that one, the captain.
Okay.
Excuse me.
If you
I
refuse-
kicked
if
off
you
my
refuse to say
shoes.
yes or no, it's going to be taken as a no, and we'll just go with the evidence we have.
Perfect.
Okay.
I'll take my right for an attorney. And I understand my rights to be self-evident. That's my black eye. I've never heard of Leo. You got me fucked. I hurt you with water. You got me stupid. You got me stupid. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Here. Come on. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Jimmy.
Sit up. 221 flagger. Have him step it up, code 3. Here, come on, come on. Sit up, sit up, sit up. Sit up.
There's a fish in it. David. How many eat today?
You haven't eaten today?
Will you take me up a little?
Take you up a little bit? So where?
I'll tell you.
No, we're on US 1.
Just scared.
It's caved in? Okay. Do you have any kind of breathing, medical deficiencies or anything like that? What do you have?
Look it up.
221 flag. Female's alert and conscious. Can you just advise rescue? They're going to have to come north on US 1 slightly, and I'm on the southbound side.
It hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
So I'm going to ask you, this is not to get you in trouble, this is so I can let them know. Did you take anything today? Just alcohol? How much have you had to drink?
Enough.
What is enough? So I can tell them.
I'm iron deficient anemic.
Okay.
I
Are you on medication for it?
COPD. I'm Klonopin. I found it.
Alright, sit tight for me for 1 second.
I my arm above my head.
Huh?
I my arm above my
You need your arm above your head?
Thank you.
Okay.
I need a bag.
Hey, sorry, I had to pull over and kind of tend
I need
to.
a bag.
Yeah. No, you're good, you're good. I was just giving you what you got.
Wipe my nose.
Hey, let me let you go. Let me let you go. 10-4. I'll take another. Here, let's do this. Sit up for me. Sit. Here, sit up for me. And then do this. Look. Hang on. Here, let's do this. Stand up.
I got nothing that's gonna hurt you.
I know. I'm gonna help you out, okay? But you gotta listen to me.
You have to pick me up quick and I'm pass out.
I'm about to.
I've already just finished the music. Thank you.
All right. Swing your feet out. Swing your feet out to me.
Yeah, do something with that. Right side.
We'll wait till they come over. EMTs are coming up to you.
No.
Nope. Sit up. Sit up. Swing your feet out. Swing
Don't
this far.
hurt me right here, by the way.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Like I did this earlier. I wouldn't try to do nothing like that.
But whenever we ask you to do something, you gotta do it.
Yeah, but it was already there today. Oh, right. Somebody pull my wedge.
I'm not touching your butt. It's all the way back.
I'll
That's
take
your
the
back.
rest.
All the way back.
I'll pull you up with your stuff. But I ain't touching you.
No, I can't leave my car.
You guys want to lose the cuffs? I don't think she's going anywhere that way.
Do you need one of us to ride
Why
with
the
you?
fuck
If she's cuffed, yeah. But
Why
I
this
feel
place?
comfortable with
I
her.
do hospital
You know what I mean? You guys are following
without a
us.
baby.
If there's an issue, I'll just have to pull over. And then
That's
we'll
right.
deal
If
with
you
it.
guys pull over, I'll pull over.
Apparently,
I
I
got you.
assaulted him with underwear.
Let me take the cuffs off. If you give these guys any problems, you hear me? I'm getting back and you're putting the cuffs back on.
Information on her at all?
You go out there, look off 95 before the merge sign.
What was that?
Where the merge sign ends.
How was that?
You'll find Robert Bridges.
I gotcha. That's all we got.
You hear me?
Heavy
You look
UCLA.
just like him. You! Oh my God! I'm going to jail for throwing water at a cop. In the state of Florida, it's illegal if you go through a fucking fast food joint to not give someone water. So I'm going to jail for throwing water at a cop. You tell me how the fuck that's straight. I'm going to ROR on throwing your hat at you. I wish you'd have said I took your hat off. I took his hat off and threw it at him. I'll take that. I would have took that. She threw water at me. Assault on a Leo. I can't even. Look, he could have said I took his hat off and threw it at him. I did not. I threw water at water. I did it. I threw water out. What the fuck, dude? Nah, we're good.
You've been cleared from the hospital.
Look, I threw. What are we made of?
Oh, we were so nice to you. You wanted to come back?
Yeah.
That's what happened?
Look, we're made of water. I assaulted him with water. I'm a ROR on that. And then the other one, bitch.
Don't call me a bitch.
What you just said, I assaulted him with water.
Yeah, that's 5 years in prison.
Good, we're made of water.
Ford.
That's what he's claiming.
Ford.
She was later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer without violence, and grand theft.